In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your microphone not recording audio properly on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath update and security, select troubleshoot on the left side. And then on the right panel, select additional troubleshooters. And now you want to go down underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, and you want to select where it says Recording Audio. Find and Fix Problems of Recording Sound. Select Run the Troubleshooter. And then see if it's able to resolve the issue, and you can view additional information, and you can see what was scanned. You may want to try plugging a USB into a different port on your computer, as well as seeing if there's any software available from the manufacturer that's available for download, and then try and update that on your system, and then hopefully that would resolve your issue. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.